Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shea butter deep conditioner. Deep conditioning your hair is designed to soften, revive, and strengthen your hair, giving it a boost that's much more intense than your normal conditioning. One of the reasons why I decided to make my own conditioner is because I found that a lot of these deep conditioners that are heavily promoted contain sulfates or other chemicals that damage your hair. And the ones that are good for your hair are so expensive, and so I'm balling on a budget over here. So the deep conditioner I'm making are made from products that I've just had lying around. Making this didn't take more than 15 minutes, and I love it because I know exactly what I'm putting in my hair. The main ingredients are shea butter, fenugreek powder, and honey. All the other ingredients that you see here can be added or substituted based on what you have at home. I decided to go with almond, jojoba, rosemary, castor, and bhringraj oil. I also added my own conditioner. You can use any conditioner you have on hand or that you regularly use. Mine is from Herbal Essences. There are many benefits of each of the oils that I put in the shea butter deep conditioner, but the main ones are hair growth, intense moisture, and promotes thickness. Now, step 1 of making this shea butter deep conditioner is to melt half a cup of shea butter. The way you want to do this is by steaming it on the stove so that it doesn't change the internal properties of the shea butter. Step 2, once the shea butter is melted, you want to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, honey, and almond oil. I used 25 to 30 drops of each of the other oils. I also added 1/3 cup of my own conditioner. Step 3, mix all the ingredients together. Step 4, which is optional, is steaming the deep conditioner you just made for another round so that all the ingredients can blend in together. And that's it, you're done.